Hello and welcome back to How to Geek Studios. I'm Grizz and today we've got something for the gamers who like their keyboards heavy. From Keychron, we've got the Lemokey L3. Very cool box. Colorful, shiny, and fabulous. The Lemokey L3 is a 2.4 GHz full metal KVIA custom mechanical keyboard built for peak performance. Let's see what's inside. Starting with the documentation, clearly an attempt to build anticipation. We have a message from Keychron about carefully hot swapping switches so you don't ruin your day. Very thoughtful. Then we have a user guide, followed by a much friendlier looking quick start guide. And finally, beneath the protective foam and plastic, we have the Lemokey L3 in space silver frame. I must say, this is a very nice looking mechanical keyboard, and it's built like a tank. There is some serious heft here. Keychron says the weight is almost 2,000 grams. That's about 4.5 pounds here in America. All thanks to the machined CNC aluminum frame. Very slick. This will most certainly put a hole in your drywall, so don't game angry when using the L3. On the left side, we've got an aluminum rotary encoder with additional macro keys. There's a very satisfying click-clack to the stock keys. This keyboard is capable of both 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth wireless, and of course the wired connection via USB-C. Also in the box we have a USB-C cable and a USB adapter, some additional keycaps for customization, keycap and switch puller, screwdriver, Allen keys, some extra hardware, extra feet. Now we hit the lights for the south-facing RGB light show. You can customize RGB lights, of course, to dance along with your favorite Pink Floyd record or whatever game you're grinding on these days. 3 LEDs on the keyboard show charge indicator, Bluetooth connectivity, and a caps lock light. Well, there you have it. That's the Lemokey L3 mechanical keyboard. Be sure to check out our full review and get the nitty-gritty details. And hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to our newsletter for more tech goodness delivered straight to your inbox? Until next time, for How to Geek, this is Grizz signing off.